Target cyber attack, key lessons from the 2013 data breach. Businesses now have to select cybersecurity in the latest virtual era. The 2013 Target hack, one of the worst security disasters in history, exposed weaknesses in well-known companies and damaged private client information.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Businesses worldwide could strengthen their defenses against similar attacks by using these security problems as a case study. This article mainly discusses the Target cyber attacks facts, how it took place, the company's response to the challenge, and the most important lessons for other companies. Table of contents. The 2013 Target data breach, what ended up causing it? The cyber attack on Target was just not unusual. Prior to the incident, a number of warning signs popped up, but they were either disregarded or underused. These warnings provide crucial lessons on the importance of vigilance. Unheeded system alerts. Target's cybersecurity system, powered by FireEye, detected unusual activities but failed to act on them promptly. These alerts could have prevented the breach. Third-party weaknesses. The attack exploited vulnerabilities in one of Target's third-party vendors, emphasizing the importance of vetting and monitoring external partners. Underutilized technology. Despite having advanced tools, Target's reliance on automated systems without sufficient human oversight left them exposed. These warnings underscore the importance of proactive threat detection and a multi-layered security approach. What happened during the Target cyber attack? The Target cyber attack was a carefully orchestrated operation that exploited weaknesses at multiple levels. Here's how it happened. 1. Vendor entry point. Attackers gained access by sending a phishing email to Fazio Mechanical Services, an HVAC contractor for Target. This small opening allowed them to infiltrate Target's internal network. 2. Malware deployment. The company offered free credit monitoring services to affected customers, a critical step in damage control. 3. Data exfiltration. Over several weeks, attackers extracted sensitive data, including 40 million credit and debit card details and 70 million customer records. 4. Delayed detection. The breach went undetected for weeks, highlighting the need for continuous monitoring and rapid response. How did Target face the fallout of the cyber attack? Target's response to the breach was a swift but reactive cybersecurity strategy. Here's what they did to manage the crisis. 1. Customer alert. Target kept some degree of openness with customers by making the breach public within a week of discovery. 2. Credit monitoring. A vital component of damage control was the company's provision of free credit monitoring services to affected clients. 3. Law enforcement cooperation. To look into and resolve the breach, Target collaborated with cybersecurity companies and federal agencies. 4. Security investments. Target made $100 million in post-breach investments to improve cybersecurity and update their payment systems. Although some of the damage was lessened by these measures, the incident revealed numerous locations where preventative measures could have had a major impact. Lessons every business can learn from Target's mistakes. The Target cyber attack provides invaluable lessons for businesses to strengthen their cybersecurity posture. Secure third-party access. Regular audits and strict security policies for vendors are essential to prevent breaches originating from external partners. Prioritize alerts. Small issues can be stopped from developing into serious breaches by promptly responding to security alerts. Continuous monitoring. Proactive threat hunting and real-time monitoring tools can detect potential risks early. Educate stakeholders. Employee and vendor training can reduce human errors that often serve as entry points for attackers. Steps Target could have taken to prevent the breach. Target made an effort, but some weaknesses in their approach made the breach worse. What could have been done differently is as follows. Enhanced vendor security. Implementing stricter access controls and monitoring for third-party vendors could have closed the initial entry point. Faster incident response. Acting on the FireEye alerts immediately might have stopped the attack in its tracks. Data encryption. Encrypting sensitive data would have made it harder for attackers to exploit the stolen information. Comprehensive employee training. Regular training sessions on cybersecurity best practices could have reduced vulnerabilities.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.